Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about something that confuses many English learners. That accent. Yes guys. आप लोग accent के पीछे क्यों भाग रहे हो? मेरे कोई समझ नहीं आ रहा. A lot of people waste their time trying to copy American or British accents. But here is the truth. You don't need to change your accent to speak good English. या accent change करने की जरूरत क्यों नहीं है? We are proud to be an Indian. आप इंडिया में रहते हो, इंडिया की तरह बोलो. Remember, fluency is not about accent, it's about clarity. Every country has its own way of speaking, like British, American, Australian, or Indian. Each is correct. सबके पास अपना accent है ना भैया, हम अपना accent बोलेंगे. Like what really matters is whether people can understand you. आपको लोग समझ ले वो मैटर करता है, accent मैटर नहीं करता है. समझ में आया? आप accent सीख सकते हो एक अच्छे fluency लेवल पे जाने के बाद. If you are talking about accent versus fluency, accent is just a pronunciation style. Fluency is the ability to speak smoothly and confidently. If people understand your words, your English is successful, no matter what accent you have. Don't waste your time on accents. Like people are wasting their times on accent. They don't waste time. Some learners spend months forcing like a foreigner accent, but ask yourself, will copying an American tone fix your grammar? Will a British accent add vocabulary? No. Instead of wasting time, use that energy to improve speaking confidence and communication skills. British accent आपकी ग्रामर ठीक नहीं कर देगा. American accent आपके रूल्स ठीक नहीं कर देगा. ठीक है. So confidence in your own voice is more powerful than pretending to be someone else. Pretend करना नहीं है, powerful बनना है voice के साथ. Like Indian accent is powerful. Our Indian accent is not a weakness. It is our strength. Millions of people around the world speak with an Indian accent. And they are respected in a business, education, and leaderships. There are so many examples, like from CEOs to teachers. Like Indians are proving every day that clarity matters more than accent. Be proud of your roots. Your accent tells your story. ओके तो आप एक्सेंट पे ध्यान दो मत दो भाई बिल्कुल भी. आप अपना एक्सेंट बोलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. लाइक व्हाट रियली मैटर्स, वर्क ऑन क्लैरिटी, करेक्ट साउंड, स्ट्रेस एंड intonation. Don't erase your identity, just make your speech clear and confident. Remember, the purpose of English is not to sound foreigner but to be understood globally. हमें फॉरेनर की तरह साउंड ना करना है, हमें ग्लोबली में सबको समझ में आना चाहिए हमारी इंग्लिश हम क्या बोल रहे हैं. So don't chase accents, focus on fluency. Okay, so these are the tips. If I going to give you tips, so you can do one thing: focus on fluency, improve clarity, be confident with your own voice. Okay, आपको अपनी वॉइस ही कॉन्फिडेंस दे सकती है और कोई वॉइस नहीं देगी. आप एक्सेंट लेने जाओगे तो वहां से आपको डिमोटिवेशन ही मिलेगा क्योंकि आप एक्सेंट बोल नहीं पाओगे ना. सो इंग्लिश इज नॉट अबाउट द साउंडिंग फॉरेन, इट इज अबाउट बीइंग अंडरस्टूड. Okay, so if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And remember, your Indian accent is not your weakness, it's your power. Okay, so like, subscribe and share.